Mockups are vital in the design process as they visually represent concepts, facilitate iteration and feedback, enable user experience testing, foster communication and collaboration, and save time and costs by identifying and resolving design issues. Certainly. Here are 10 websites where you can download free mockups. Freepik, www.freepik.com. Pixeden, www.pixeden.com. GraphicBurger, www.graphicburger.com. Mockup World, www.mockupworld.co. Behance, www.behance.net. Dribbble, www.dribbble.com. Freebiesbug, www.freebiesbug.com. Mockup World HQ, www.mockupworld.com. Creative Booster, www.creativebooster.net. Pixel Buddha, www.pixelbuddha.net. Please note that the availability and offerings on these websites may change over time, so a good idea to check their current status and terms of use.